So in this video, we can continue coding this if statement for if the answer is food. So I'll give the user one last choice to make in this if statement and add one last set of if conditions in our program. So if the user chooses the first option, which was to pick berries in the forest for food, let's give them another choice to make. Let's say that they have been walking and haven't eaten in a few days now, but they have their berries with them. However, they come across a man that shouts that the berries that they have are poisonous. They can choose to either eat the berries or throw them away. So we'll update the user's answer to this in the answer variable. So we can write answer is equal to input. And then we can write the story and the user's options. So now I've let the user know of the story and I told them their options. And then I'll tell them that if they choose to eat the berries, they need to type eat, and to throw away the berries, they need to type throw. And then I'll convert this input to lowercase as well by writing .lower. Now there are three possible options that we need to write code for. If the user chooses to eat the berries, that is one option, and we would return a specific message for that. If the user chooses to throw away the berries, that would be another option, and we would write code to return a different message. And finally, the user could enter a text that is not eat or throw, and we would need to tell them that it is an invalid answer and end the game. So let's say that if the user chooses to eat the berries, it turns out that they were not poisonous and that the user won the game. So let's write if answer is equal to eat, we will print the message, you ate the berries, and it turns out that they were not poisonous. You won the game. And then the other option that the user could have chosen was to throw the berries away. So let's say that if the user threw the berries away, they would lose the game because the berries were not actually poisonous. So we can write elif answer is equal to throw. We'll print the message, you threw the berries away, but they were never poisonous. You lose. And finally, we will add an else statement if the user enters an invalid answer. So we can say else, we'll print the statement, this is an invalid answer. And the game is ended. Great. So you don't have to end the game right here. You can choose to keep the game going for a while and add your own twists and turns. I will code the remaining 2 elif statements over here in the next video.